today's going to be that kind of a day. It's just going to be a kind of a jumpy day after yesterday. Now walk. Let's walk. Gale, walk. Gale, walk. Good boy. Now we're coming up to one of those horrible, horrible culverts. And this one's scary because it's all kind of bent up. And so it looks like, I don't know, some kind of a monster. Good boy. We went over crackly leaves and it didn't bother him. And we're going to see how he does with this culvert. He's been willing to cross other ones. That's not a problem. But yeah, approaching it from the end is a whole nother matter, where they're looking down those dastardly, horrible eyes looking at them out of the ground. Yeah, that's fair. What always makes me laugh is there's always one on the other side of the road too, and they don't see that because they're so busy looking at the one. What a good boy. I've had older horses shy an awful lot harder than that over the culverts. So that was pretty darn good. First time I asked him to cross a culvert, no problem. He just went right across it. He says, oh, that's green and tall. I could eat that. Good boy. Ugh. Well, we found the hole with the carriage wheel. Proves to me that he's paying attention. I like that. Crackly noises. Good boy. What a good boy. Gale, whoa. Whoa. That boy who's been stopping without any assistance is just a little nervous today. Whoa. Whoa. Walk on. Good boy. Good boy. Shall we working trot? Working trot. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. No, it's okay. It's okay. I don't know what you're shying about, but it's okay. No, don't go into the wheat. That gets us in big trouble. I see what his objection is. We're going over cotton stalks, and he doesn't like that. They're kind of stickery. What a good boy. Cotton, Milo, all kinds of stickery things. Nice and easy. There's my good relaxed boy. little over a mile for him to relax. That's okay. He's a baby. Dude, it's not blowing so hard today. You could be out of your basket if you wanted. But I think you're safer there. Puts his head up and looks around. I like that. He's a very attentive fellow. There you go. Now I see what looks like a new hole up here. So let's go this way. Yes, you see it too, huh? Yep, a new badger hole. Farmers don't like them. Those holes are pretty heavy when you hit them in the makes a pretty big thump when you hit them in the tractor, with a tractor. Nice and easy. What a good boy. What do you see? There's our boy. He's back. That's a good boy. Working colts, number one is patience. Patience, patience. They have a mind. They have a thought process. And you just got to work with them. You can fight them if you want. It's not really going to do you any good. You're just going to end up in a big fight. That's no fun. And if instead I just work with him and just stay with him and just stay calm, stay relaxed. If I'm relaxed, he can be relaxed. If I'm uptight, well, there it goes. Oh, this motor is running. I suppose I should have expected it to be running. And it's a loud one. There's a more relaxed gait. I like that. Yes, I do. Let's quietly ooze our way to the road. So once we get down here further, there will be tractor tracks that are pretty rough. Here's a spot where they've been going across. Nobody's coming. Wouldn't expect them to be on a farm road on a Sunday, but you never can tell. What a good boy. And to get down here a little bit. And this is a new spot for him. He's never gone through here. And those barrels can be scary. What do you see, huh? What a good boy. Let's go see what's coming up over here. Not only will we see what's coming up over here, we'll go right past the sprinkler that is in operation. because it's been watered. And these are old cotton plants. What a good boy. Nope, nope, nope. We're not going over in there. Among other things, it's muddy over there. If he's relaxed enough to just walk along, I'm relaxed enough to just take him. What a good boy. And we're going to have a muddy patch up here. So we're going to go around it. Yep, there's your buddy Amy. Walk on. Yep, let's go around the mud.